In this video, we are going to explore look-behind assertions in regular expressions. We will focus on using the positive look-behind, denoted by the characters (less than equals, to match patterns based on what precedes them. Let's dive in and understand how it works. So, what exactly is look-behind in the context of regular expressions? Look-behind allows you to match a pattern only if it is preceded by another specific pattern. The crucial point here is that the preceding pattern is not included in the final match. Think of it as a condition that must be true before the actual match can occur. The syntax for look-behind is shown here. It starts with a parenthesis followed by a question mark, less than sign equals sign, the preceding pattern, closing parenthesis, and finally the target pattern you want to match. Let's look at a basic example to clarify how look-behind works. Consider the regular expression pattern less than equals at the rate symbol, followed by \W+. This pattern is designed to match one or more word characters, that is letters, numbers, or underscore, that come after the at the rate symbol, but the at the rate itself is not included in the match. If we apply this pattern to the text user at theratedomain.com, the regular expression engine will find the at the rate symbol, and then match the word domain that follows it. The final match will be domain without the at the rate symbol. Now let's see how to implement look-behind in Python using the re module. First, import the re module. Then define the text to search within. In this case, it is the string user at theratedomain.com. Next, define the regular expression pattern. It is the same pattern we used earlier, which is our followed by less than equals at the rate symbol \W+. Use the re.search function to find the pattern in the text. Finally, print the matched group using result.group. When you run this code, the output will be domain, demonstrating that the look-behind assertion successfully matched the word after the at the rate symbol. Let's consider a more advanced example, using look-behind to match currency values. Suppose we have the pattern less than equals $\d plus $d*. This pattern matches numbers with optional decimals that follow a $. The $sign itself is not included in the match. If we apply this pattern to the text price $29.99 cost euro 15.50, the regular expression will identify the $sign followed by a numerical value and extract the numeric value, 29.99. The euro amount will not be matched because it doesn't have the $sign before it. To find all the matches in a given text using look-behind, you can use the findAll function from the re module in Python. Here's how it works. First, import the re module. Define the text to be searched. This time, the text contains two email addresses, john@gmail.com and mary@yahoo.com. Set the regular expression pattern to less than equals at the rate symbol \W+. Call the re.findAll function, passing in the pattern and the text. Finally, print the matches. The output will be a list containing Gmail and Yahoo, which are the domains extracted from the email addresses using the look-behind assertion. Let's look at a complex example using look-behind and word boundaries for more precise matching. Consider the pattern less than equals \b price $s \d plus. This pattern matches digits that follow the word price with white space. The \b ensures that price is a whole word. Applying this pattern to the text, the price 100 is great update price 200, the matches will be 100 and 200. These are the numbers that immediately follow price with a word boundary to ensure we are matching whole words. Here are the key takeaways from this video. Look-behind assertions match patterns based on the preceding context without including the preceding text in the match result. The basic syntax for positive look-behind is less than equals pattern closing parenthesis. Use look-behind to create more flexible and precise regular expressions. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.